In this video, we will be using Excel and the capital asset pricing model to estimate a firm's beta. The first thing we need is a proxy for the market. The S&P 500 index is a reasonable choice because it is a broad measure of how the entire market performs. Go to the Federal Reserve Economic Data, or FRED, website. Search for the S&P 500. Edit the graph to change units to percentage change. You may also modify the frequency to monthly using end-of-period aggregation. Next, we need a measure of the risk-free rate. Go back to the FRED website and search for the 1-month Treasury constant maturity rate. Set the units to percent and the frequency to monthly. Download the data. Finally, we need the total return of the company's stock. This should include any dividends paid and account for stock splits. Many data sources provide an adjusted price to account for these issues. The return is simply the percentage change from one observation to the next. Combine the three series on a single worksheet in Excel. Make sure all the dates are aligned. In addition to aligning the dates, the returns need to have the same magnitude. Your stock returns should already be in decimal form. The market returns need to be converted to decimal form by dividing them by 100. The bond yields are quoted on an annualized basis. Divide the constant maturity rate by 12 to get the monthly return. Calculate the market risk premium by subtracting the risk-free rate from the return on the market. Calculate the stock risk premium by subtracting the risk-free rate from the stock return. Delete any rows with missing observations. Select Data and Data Analysis. If data analysis is not visible, install the Analysis Toolpack. Select Regression. The Y variable is the risk premium on the stock. The X variable is the market risk premium. Click OK.